Hi, my name is Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Today I'm going to talk to you about bare rooted roses. So I've got the Fairy Rose collection from our catalogue. This is how it arrives. Obviously it looks a bit sad right now, but it won't do in a couple of months, and I'll show you how to plant this up. Okay, so when you take the packaging off, this is what it will look like. This one is the Rose Fairy Red, so I'm going to plant this one up. The best time to plant these is in the winter, so between November and the end of February. And you can put them in a pot or in the ground, but for this I'm just going to show you how to do it in a pot. So all I'm going to do is just make a little hole for it in here, and choosing your pot as well, I would say it's best to get a deep one if you can, just so that it's got enough room for the roots as it grows into a bigger shrub. Okay, so I've filled that all the way up to the top now. I'll just show you on this one, you don't want to bury these too deep, because this bit here is where all of the new shoots come from. If you bury that below the level of the soil, that'll start to rot off and your rose will die. So you need it to sit about here, which I've done in the pot, which is more or less in line with the rim of the pot, so that should be hopefully at the perfect level. So I've just filled that up with rose tree and shrub compost, and then this can just go in a sunny spot in the garden and that should flower in the summer.